It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, October the 8th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looks good for a while. Weather like this makes our job kind of simple. Nice, cool morning. Let's go right to the big picture. This is the water vapor satellite view across the nation. The big trough rotating through the northeast United States. That's the one that brought the cool air. New trough in the northwest. And we note a little upper low feature over the Carolinas. We think the moisture with that thing will stay east of the state. And yeah, buddy, the coolest morning so far this season. Feels so good. Birmingham at 50. Those were captured at 5 o'clock. Temperatures probably dropping a degree or two below that for the official lows. Upper 40s for Haleyville and Coleman. And just will be fantastic today. Low humidity, perfect. Around the nation, cool, dry, continental air. Covers just about every state, with the exception of the southern tip of Florida. Accordingly, the watch warning map is pretty quiet. The purple colors out in the middle of the country, those are red flag warnings for high wildfire danger. Needless to say, no severe weather, no thunder really, and really no rain for us. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, and this is showing absolutely nothing, not a drop. Tropical weather. Got a feature there east of the Bahamas. If anything forms there, which it probably won't, that will be pulled to the northeast. Just the most interesting one is the wave that is southwest of the Cape Verde Islands in the eastern Atlantic. There's modeling on that. Looks like the model's having a little hard time initializing that, but it's gaining latitude with time, and the INSEP ensembles that carry it out farther to 240 hours, they want to recurve that. And that more than likely that will be the situation. Most of the deep East Atlantic systems do that as we get into October, November, as the westerlies get farther to the south. So I don't think that'll be a problem for any landmass, but it might become a tropical storm, and if it gets a name, it is the L storm. And this year, the L storm is Lorenzo. Check modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. And you can see the energy kind of hanging around the Atlantic coast. New trough in the northwest. Down below that, we are dry. Rain over the Carolinas today with that onshore flow. Moisture coming in off the Atlantic, but again, that should not bother us. Tomorrow, some rain around Chesapeake Bay, maybe parts of the coastal plain of the Carolinas, but again, for us, it'll be just gorgeous. Highs mid-70s today, upper 70s tomorrow. There's Thursday, severe clear. High should be around 80. And Friday, a new strong wave coming up through the Dakotas. Down below that, that is a vertically stacked system. 993 millibar load that's over the Dakotas, and I hope that's not a snow on the backside of that thing for those guys. That's the last thing they need after what they were buried with last week. Probably not cold enough this time for snow, but hey, you never know. Dynamic cooling might happen. And thank goodness we don't have to worry about that. Friday should be a great day, lots of sun. We'll probably see highs at or just over 80. Same thing on Saturday. Warm days, cool nights for the weekend, low 80s likely. And we got this deep surface low in Canada, the trailing front down through Madison, Wisconsin to about Childress, Wichita Falls, Texas. Sunday, the front just kind of dies west of the state. There could be a shower at Little Rock or Memphis, but we'll call it partly sunny, high around 80. Monday of next week, again, maybe a few showers in the Mid-South, Memphis, North Mississippi. We look mostly dry and pretty quiet. Go out there a few more days. This is the 19th. Look at that trough. Down below that, some good, cool air coming down the pike if that happens to verify. And the end of the forecast on the 23rd. Still got troughing over the midsection of the nation. We're dry, but very cold air coming down across the high plains as we get deep into October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.